Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the front post double crochet. To complete the front post double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook from front to back to front. Yarn over and pull back through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Now you will just complete it like a normal double crochet stitch. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And on this swatch, I'm working on a normal double crochet so you can see it a little bit better, but you can work it on any post of any stitch. Say this is a half double crochet, and you can work it even on a single crochet. Just work on the post and not the stitch. So again, yarn over, go from front to back to front, yarn over, pull back through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Now complete it like a normal double crochet. And I'll show you a few more times so that you can see it and how to complete it. Okay, we just have a few more and then we'll look at how this row looks together. One more. Okay, now when you look at this, you will see that it looks like this one is directly on top. And if you look at the back, you will see those stitches you did not work in. Those are the double crochets from the row before. So this is your current row, and that's how you complete the front post double crochet. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.